Right now is a perfect time for nature journaling, and I'm going to show you how to get started. Pick out a notebook or a journal. I like to use one that has some pretty hefty paper to it, just so that it doesn't get damaged outside, but you can use really whatever you want. If you're worried about what to include or what to dedicate a page to, let the first thing you see be your muse. So for example, the lichen on this branch, I think is a perfect thing for me to make today. Poems, sketches, lists of noises, sounds, measurements, all of these things and many more can be included in your nature journaling. Also, you can make it pretty or messy. You can do it in your backyard. You can do it on a hike. You can really do it anywhere you want. You don't have to take too long of a time for this. This is what I just made in about 5 minutes. Leave any questions you have in the comments and follow me for more nature journaling.